everyone, so welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be using this Morphe x James Charles Artistry palette. So yeah, first I'm going to start by using this blue color eyeshadow as my transition shade using this fluffy blending brush. And going to diffuse the color using a larger blending brush. Then I'm going to use this darker blue color on the same palette and going to start applying this on the underneath the transition shade. So yeah, I'm using Morphe E38 brush. I'm going to take the blending brush and going to diffuse the crease, and the next color I will be using is this black one with the same E38 brush, and going to put this color right underneath the blue so it looks more darker but it's not gonna look black. And going to take the blending brush again to diffuse it. So as you can see, I took the concealer and I looked up so it will hit on my crease so the shimmer doesn't transfer later, so my folds will stay put. So yeah, I'm just concealing with the concealer and going to use this blue color. It's a sky blue shimmery color, and going to put this on the lid, all over the lid actually. And going to use this Huda Beauty Scarlet lashes, and going to use this duo glue also, and going to put this on my eyes using a tweezer, and then I secure with my fingers as well. And going to smoke out my lower lash line using the same colors I used on my crease. And going to use this Sigma Beauty Sinuosity mascara and going to apply this on my lower lash line. And yeah, this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up, and yeah, I'll see you guys on my next tutorial. Bye.